transfer it to a vessel. That time some batter will get wasted and something, you know, blah blah blah. They will be asking you need to pour 2 or 3 more spoons of the batter, like that and all. So it is all about the cover what you are using cannot be used as it is. You have to transfer it to some other vessels, only then we can use it. And the purity of it, the hygiene part or the ingredients what they are using, there is no assurance. So everybody will not buy the batter from the street shops and all. Do you agree this? Like the Sri Krishna batter, something else which comes in packet, we trust them, buy the brand. It will be nice and I can make nice idli out of it. But this batter, maybe they are using the ration rice, so it may not be good for our children. Like so many things will be there in our mind. So everybody will not buy that. The people who are in the little low range people will be buying that, not everybody. And that is where this fellow thought, okay, instead of selling it in the packet like this, why not we make it as a brand? He started a factory where the pouch will look like the vessel itself. The bottom will be little broader, okay. So you need to just cut that cover, use spoon directly from that, so you don't have to transfer it to some other vessel. And once use the amount of batter you have used it for that time, the remaining you want to store it in the refrigerator, again you can close it and keep it in the refrigerator. Use it for the next time. So the way he has made the pouch totally different from the one which we use normally. Okay, it will not be like that use and throw like thin plastic cover. It is not like that. He has started with the pouch, and they used to write the ingredients on that, date of manufacturing, date of expiry, what are all the things they are adding that will make you to get more confidence on that. Correct? We see that only. Anything you buy, you see the date of manufacturing. Okay. Last night only they have done it. It is fine. How? What are all the ingredients they have added? This is how even I add. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I will use it. He's a very, very, very rich fellow now. He started, introducing more and more products in that. Started with only idli dosa batter. Idli dosa batter. That's why ID. Idli dosa batter. That is his name. Okay. Now he introduced
meat parotas.
Another, chili parotas and all. But a very interesting thing is vada mix. Vada mix. Okay. So normally people like me and all, when we make vada, that medu vada, middle hole we won't be knowing to put. It will become like a boda. Okay. But still we love to eat vada with that middle hole only, then everywhere it will be cooked. Okay. Everywhere it will be cooked, and we even cheat our children saying that it is a spicy donut. It's not a sweet donut, spicy donut. Okay, fine. So that hole, that is the problem faced by the people who make vada. This fellow analyzed that problem. He dumped that batter inside a pouch. Okay, and you can squeeze like this and then make a vada. And now you can make vada on any shape. Any shape. Because the control is in your hand. With that, you just make like one more example I can say. This ketchup. So a normal pouch or packet will be like earlier they introduced by a bottle. Okay, so the bottle you can finish it some 90% of it. So the bottom which can be used for some more item, or maybe a quantity of a spoon ketchup will be wasted because spoon will not go to that depth. I am not having such a spoon. Somehow here and there sticky everywhere gets wasted. And then they introduced another model, like every time, keep it in the by keeping bottom at the top at the bottom, so that every time nothing will be stored on the top. It will be flowing in this manner itself. Like many products are cosmetic products and all will be like that only. Even some shampoo bottle and all is made in that way. Shampoo, conditioner and all, you have to keep it in this manner only, so that you don't waste anything. You spend more money on it and nothing, even a single drop of the item should be wasted. With that intention, even the SketchUp bottle is being designed. Okay, so many things are following the design thinking approach. So how they implement all these things? A single brain will not be able to give a great create ideas. Creativity will be there on everyone's mind. Okay, so you connect all the creativity, work collaboratively, choose the better one, make it as a product. Give a form out of it. Okay, so why creativity is important for the innovation? And one more here I want to say, innovation is very important because in the market so many items are there. How you are different from that? So the difference only will be showing uniquely to the people. There are 10 restaurants on the series in a road. Continuously some 10 restaurants are there. But in one restaurant or two restaurants, a crowd of people will go. There may be some uniqueness over there. Maybe the way they treat the people, taste, cleanliness, service, how they give service and the price. Everything matters. How unique you are, how different you are from others. Correct? So anything, when you go to a shop also, we choose some shop. And when you are purchasing some dress also, some particular brand we will be so keen about it. Chappal or whatever we buy, we say that this brand only I want. Okay? Still, when you see watch and all, we have a craze on Titan. Whatever the brand comes also, Titan. Some or the other way, you must have a uniqueness. You must have some innovation in it. Only then your product will be sold out faster. When you go to supermarket, you may see so many of soap, in which you pick up only one soap. There may be thousands of reasons for that. Why you like that matters a lot. How you attract the people should be the quality of the design thinking. You make something, the something should attract the people. You create something that should be useful to the people. Clear? So these things you learn from the design thinking. So creativity is important, innovation is important, collaboration is important. And when you are meeting the users, when you are talking with the people, you cannot have a pre-assumption. இதுதான் சொல்ல போறாங்க. You are all writing the exam, all the 5 or 6 subjects. Okay. So I am being a maths teacher, the question paper may be easy for me. Okay. But when I am asking you, I cannot ask that, hey, maths is easy only, no? What would be the answer? You will never say no. No, people will not say. The way I question will not let you to say no. Yes, no. That's it. If I ask you how was the question paper, was it easy or tough? When I give you option only, you will be able to say, no ma'am, it is moderate, it is easy or it is tough. Again, who is asking you? If I am little friendly with you, you will be able to open up whatever you want to speak. If I am a therapist, always, whatever you wanted to express also, you will not be able to express. Okay. So I cannot get a proper feedback from the people. So when I wanted to get to know about the people, I must feel free to talk with them. I must go down to their level and then discuss with them. Adala simple solrom, stand on the shoes of the users. Stand on the shoes of the users to get empathy out of something. Okay, fine. So the next topic you see in your syllabus, design thinking versus traditional thinking. How the traditional engineering thinking will be and how the design thinking will be. As you all know by now, design thinking starts from user. It's not start from the product. Correct? End only is a product. Starting will be only the user. What is the problem with that person? Then you introduce something. Earlier and all, when we applied for passport, months together it takes. Okay? When I took my first passport in the year of 2001, okay, 2001, it took 1 month. That too, to apply passport, we had to stand in the queue for that whole day. For whole day in Trichy. That time it was not available on all districts. Only in specific places it was available. Later on, it has some more improvement took place. But now, within 3 days, you will be able to get the passport. The problem faced by the people earlier and all, only very few people used to go abroad because there were no communication facility, and the people who are at the home also, they will not let the people to go abroad, because once you go abroad, we may or may not see. If at all we see also maybe after 1 year or 2 years. It was the scenario at that time. But now it is not like that. If I make a call once, say I want to see, immediately they will come. It is happening, right? Wherever it may be, whichever country they are currently, you want to see them or something very important they have to attend, they will be able to come. Now, that much facility is there. Or, I just want to see over video. It is possible now, but earlier it was not like that. As the requirement is increased, lot of people started going over there. They need to get the passport immediately. Many people wanted to get the passport. Of course, the facility also has to be improved, and that is how now everything has become automated, systemated. So we are able to get. Earlier and all, to take a community certificate, to take a ration card, to take any other government certificate, in person you have to go. 2 or 3 times you have to go. Lot of, now also verification is there, but everything through online. The problem faced by the people is we don't have time to spend for this. Okay, so the solution is that you don't need to go at all. Do it everything online. You will get it everything within few days time. So problem is understood clearly. Problem is defined clearly. We are very close to finding out the solution. Okay, so ideation about design thinking approach and traditional engineering thinking. Engineering thinking is about the organization wants to do something, or an engineer wants to do something, or an expert wants to do something. Then it will end up with the final product. There also manpower will be there, money will be there, everything will be there. Earlier we had an approach of engineering thinking only, because engineers are the creators. Engineers are the creators. But now, whether the creations are useful or not matters. We see the usefulness of the creation and then we start working on it. As simple as that. Okay? So the remaining we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.